You see the ladybugs? Don't, Timber. They're ladybugs, Tegan? There's a lot of ladybugs, huh? There's ladybugs all over the place, huh? Don't squish him. Say hi to the camera. Tegan. Tegan, say hi. Say hi.
Say cheese.
Can you say cheese? They were too worried about all the ladybugs. Don't squish him. Don't squish him, Tegan. You're squishing him.
He's mad. He wants me.
Don't squish him. Don't squish him. Be gentle. There, he's on a leaf now. Leave him alone.
He's over there. He's in there.
She squished you in the right.